everyone, this is Srinivas P. Kulkarni and I'm a trainer, mentor, speaker and a coach. First of all, I want to thank each and every one for watching my previous video, and I'm really glad that so many people liked it. That's what I intend to bring through my channel, which is Upbrain. I want to empower people with anything and everything that they require to have a wonderful life, my dear friends. It's your love that inspires me and motivates me to put more and more beautiful content, my dear friends. For everyone who subscribed to my channel, a big thank you once again. And for the ones who haven't subscribed, no problem, as I keep telling in each and every video of mine, you're just a click away, my dear friends. So go ahead, subscribe to my channel, watch my videos, leave your comments, and keep telling me more and more information which I can pass it on to you. I would just like to reiterate before I go to the topic of today's video is, in case you want me to put a video or me to talk about anything that you want to learn or you want more information on, please leave that topic in the comments section of this video and I will ensure that I bring up a video on that particular topic. Great, so let's move on. What I want to talk about today is actually a request received by a lot of people who said that, you've spoken about fear, which is beautiful, Srinivas, but we also want to know, how do I overcome my fear? Right, so that's the topic for today, my dear friends. How do you overcome your fears? All I want to say, my dear friends, is, remember that there is no medicine that can help you to cure or overcome your fear. There is no medicine, my dear friend. Right, so here are some ideas that I can present to you to help you overcome your fear, my dear friends. Let's start with the first one. It says, practice bravery training. All your life, you have practiced how to be scared or how to be fearful of something. You've practiced it and you mastered the art. So what I want to do is, if you have to get rid of your fear, you need to practice bravery training. You need to practice exactly opposite of what you have been practicing all this while, my dear friends. Everything that scares you, it needs bravery training. If you're afraid to watch or if you're afraid of heights, you need to make sure that you start climbing high rises. You go to places which are at a very high altitude. That is how you will be able to overcome that fear. Again, you don't need to go straight away because your fear is not going to go in the first attempt. But you need to strategize, you need to plan it. Something that is easy for you to work upon. Let's talk about the second one. Release your attachment to the outcome of your fear. Your fear has an outcome, and that is the reason you're afraid of it. If I go on the top of a high rise and I look down, I am going to fall down. This is the fear that I have. This is the outcome that I think about. Technically, everybody who goes to the top high rise and looks down doesn't fall down. So what you need to do is you need to release the outcome that is attached to your fear. The other aspect is that we don't do things that we are scared of, or we don't do things that frighten us because we are afraid of being judged. Yes, we are afraid of being judged. We are afraid of failure. We are afraid of success. We are afraid of a lot of things, and this being afraid of stops us from doing things which can create wonders in our life, my dear friends. The moment you release your attachment to the outcome, that if I do this, let me do this, the outcome is definitely going to be the best outcome. Let's talk about the third one. Hang in with the heroes. Everybody needs motivation. Everybody needs inspiration. There are a lot of people in this world who have overcome the same fear that you have. How would they have overcome the fear? If you want to know about it, if you really want to overcome your fear, what you could do is you could read their books, you could watch their videos, you could listen to their audios, you could listen to their podcasts. You could do everything under the sun to make sure that you learn about how to overcome your fear. And these are those people who've not only overcome their fears, but they've been masters and they've been iconic in their personal and professional life. Let's talk about the fourth one, which is embrace the mess. My dear friends, when you're scared of something, it is completely messy. It's a big mess. What you need to understand is you need to embrace that mess, which means you need to accept that this is messy. And if you really want to be fearless, remember that the things that you find easy today were initially not very easy. You mastered the art. And why could you master that art? Because you wanted that from the bottom of your heart. Something very simple. You learn how to ride a bike. And then you have people on this earth who are afraid of even sitting on a bike. So why is it that you can ride a bike? Why is it that you are not afraid of it? That is because you wanted that from the bottom of your heart. And you knew that the entire process is going to be messy. You still made sure that you went through that process. Every master was once a beginner. And whoever it was has had his or her share of fears. So here's something that I really like, and trust me, it makes a lot of sense as well. All changes are very, very hard to begin with, completely messy in the middle, and beautiful towards the end. Yes, my dear friends, when you overcome fear, what you do is you change something in you. Now, when you start changing, it's really hard at first because you are not used to that change. You are not used to that kind of let's say a lifestyle or that kind of a thought process or that kind of an action. So it's very hard at the first. It's absolutely messy in the middle, which means you will come across all possible obstacles on this earth. Why? Because there is a conflict going on in the mind. One side of your mind says that, go conquer that fear. The other side of the mind says, no, wait, you better be careful. You don't conquer your fear because, this is not going to work out. So there is a conflict which is going to make things completely messy during the process, which is in the middle. And my dear friends, the end is obviously beautiful because you have conquered your fear. You have overcome your fear. So last but not the least, the things that frighten us the most. When you have the courage to go ahead and do those things, those fears dissolve. Those fears dissolve, my dear friends. On that note, I want to thank each one of you for watching this video and keep motivating, inspiring not only me, but each and every one around you, because it is absolutely easy to spread the knowledge rather than spreading the virus. Thank you once again, my dear friends, and wishing you all a happy Ganesh Chaturthi on behalf of this entire Upbrin team. Once again, thank you very much. Bye-bye.